Good morning, everyone. So, for today, we're going to see what I did for one whole day. And I'm sorry if there are any background noises because I really need to finish this editing. And yeah, so let's watch the video. So, this is not my normal time of when I wake up. I usually wake up at around 9, but I know I feel so happy this day, so I wake up really early. So, as you can see here, my room is always messy because I'm not very organized. In the morning, I always try to drink water so that I would wake my system up, you know. So here I am dressing up to do some exercise downstairs. I don't really have a decent exercise style, so I'm sorry for that. So here I am flexing my chap lips. I really have bad habit of picking it, so it game's really dry.
It's VQs. One time, one time, one time. Standard. One time. It's got to be. Lego! Lego!
So I did not film the whole exercise that I did because I'm still new with this whole vlogging thing. Maybe on other time I will do it for guys if you wanted to.
1 hour later.
I'm preparing a breakfast right now, which is a simple yogurt with some toppings on it. I'm so sorry if I did not show you guys the finished product of this yogurt. My camera died, but I could attest that it was really delicious. We're going outside for today, so I'm going to take a quick shower. So here I am doing my normal skincare routine while also watching an anime. Let's clap for that. This is me trying to save my chapped lips.
A few moments later.
So right after I went home, we prepare our lunch for the day, which is corn dog. If you're asking me if it is healthy, well, I would say it is delicious. This poster of BTS have been sitting around in my room for a whole 3 months, and for today I decided to actually paste it. Because why? I accidentally punched a hole on my wall. Good job, Reg. After mending the broken wall, here I am doing a sketch of ideas for my bullet journal in the month of July.
One day we'll be in love when you're not far away. You really make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. Finally know the reason why, yeah. I'm never really satisfied, yeah.
I took a short break and decided to have an early dinner for today while watching an anime. So what I'm watching in here is My Hero Academia. I really like this anime, by the way. You should watch it, guys.
You really make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die.
Finishing up some sketches for my bullet journal.
I knew when I saw you, didn't care about the party. Wishing all of these people would just head out so we can talk. I could tell by the smile when you asked where to write your name on my wall. Wish I met you at 16, wish I could have taken you to prom. Better late than never, I see us spending days together. Sketching pictures up and singing songs, wondering what I did before you came along. Oh, you're just what I need, the best part of me. Somehow it keeps getting better. I waited forever, but better late.
Enjoy the clips of me preparing and go to sleep.
Better late than never. Good days and bad days, I know I can call you. 'Cause you always have answers to problems that I could never solve. Never met green eyes, I love to get lost in.
Thank you for watching my video and I hope you like it. Please like and subscribe. Bye!
Better late than never. I see us spending days together. Sketching pictures up and singing songs, wondering what I did before you came along. Oh, you're just what I need, the best part of me. Somehow it keeps getting better. I waited forever. All the love I made